Hello, this is Emma of Emma Live Yoga, and welcome to day 3 of our Building Strength Challenge. So, I hope you're ready to practice with me, that you are nicely hydrated, and you have plenty of space and all your bits and bobs that you might need to support your body. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, take a few moments to sit tall, press the palms of the hands together, take a long breath in, exhale. Inhale, this time we'll Om. And gently bow the head. Check in with yourself. Maybe you're starting to feel a little stronger. You certainly feel areas of the body that you might not have felt. Just see what's going on to continue this journey towards building strength. Take a deep breath in and exhale and gently open the eyes. Release the hands. Just do a few twizzles out through the wrist. Good. So from this position, again, come through to an all fours position. We'll return to an action we did in day 1, continue to build on this. So we come to tabletop position, inhale. On the exhale, drift back. And on the inhale, drift forward. Good. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Now we'll introduce an optional dip. Exhale, dip the elbows back, squeeze. Inhale, straighten. Exhale back. You can stay with this, or you can take it to knees up. Inhale forward, exhale dip, inhale up, exhale back. Knees down is fine now. Inhale, exhale dip, inhale up, exhale back. We've got one more. Inhale, strong, exhale, squeeze, inhale, push, exhale back. From here, inhale, walk the hands towards the feet, and go back to stretching out a little bit. Exhale. Palakuntasana, interweave the first 2 fingers around the big toes. If that's too much, take your shins, your thighs, above the knees if you need to. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, elbows wide, head down. Breathing. Find to bend your knees. In fact, we will bend our knees. So inhale, bend. And exhale, straighten. I'm getting warm. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Last one. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release the toes. Walk the hands forward until you can bring the right knee down. And then square the back foot to the back of the mat and come up into Vasisthasana. This is a half plank position. Know that you can do this with the forearm down. And that's fine. You can also walk your left foot forward so you don't feel wobbly. So just do what you need to do. You can be on a brick. That's another option. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, touch it down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. So building strength, but also movement. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. You can't be rigid in strength. Inhale, up. We need to be able to move. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, hands to the hip. Now you can stay there, or you can try and bring both legs together. Tricky. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Otherwise, repeat what we just did. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. I know it's hard. Last one. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Come into plank. So don't lose your form. Come into a plank or a knees down plank. Exhale, lower the body. Chataranga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. So we change sides. Bring the left knee down. I'll change direction so I can still see you. Vasisthasana. Good. The hand underneath the shoulder. Remember your options here. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Doing 4. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the hip. So you're either going to repeat that or you'll try and stack the ankles. Lift the hips away from the floor. Inhale. Exhale, touch. Inhale, up. Exhale, touch. If you wobble, it's okay. Inhale, up. Last one. Exhale, touch. Inhale. We come back to plank. Exhale. Chaturanga. Feel the shoulders. Inhale to lift. And exhale to dog. Catch your breath. Straighten with the strength. Good. So work the shoulders. Take it to the legs. From here, inhale, bring your left heel down behind you. Exhale, step through with the right leg. We'll come into warrior one. Inhale. Exhale, press into the front heel and lift up with kind of loose arms. You can really feel your lower body. Good. So don't be shy with the bend unless you've got knee issues. Good. Strong legs. Inhale, float the arms up. Exhale. Good. So feeling the strength through the lower body. Good. Strong thighs. From this position, inhale, open out to warrior two. So we're still in this thigh, building strength. Exhale, lift the back inner thigh. From here, inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Cartwheel the arms down. Step back. Plank, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Right heel down. Inhale, come through. Exhale. Warrior one. You there? You made it? Inhale, float the arms up if you wish. Prayer hands is an option. Breathing. Good. Press into that back heel. Straighten that back leg. So feel the left thigh working. Building strength. From here, we come through to warrior two. Good. Keep working that thigh. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Make sure your toes are forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Again, cartwheel the arms. This time, hold your plank. Now hold. You can hold it. You can bring your knees down, or you can try a dip and then lift. Dip and then lift. Last one. You can do it. Dip and then lift into downward dog. Let the head dangle. Get your breath back. Very good. So working with the building blocks really of strength. Not pretty, but they certainly get you strong. So from here, inhale, bring your knees down. We're back to the shoulders. Exhale, forearms down. You remember this move now, dolphin. So from here, we're going to combine dolphin plank with a regular plank. We're going to see how we get on with that. So step back into your plank, elbows in, squeeze. Inhale, exhale, left hand down, right hand down. Good. Inhale, right elbow, left elbow. Inhale, squeeze. Right hand down, left hand down. Inhale, right elbow, left elbow. You can do all this with the knees down. Inhale, left hand, right hand. Good. Left elbow, right elbow. Last one. Left hand, right hand. Left elbow, right elbow. Don't give up. Inhale. Exhale, walk the feet into dolphin. Let the head dangle, gaze at the toes. Breathing. Good. Squeeze out of the shoulders. And then inhale, bring the knees down. Exhale. Inhale, slide back. Exhale, high kneeling or low kneeling. Inhale, swoosh the arms up. Exhale and open. Last one. Inhale, swoosh. Exhale. From here, grab your bricks. Back to the lower body. You still with me? Good. From here, walk the bricks forward. Tuck the toes. Inhale, exhale, come into a low squat. So if you feel, oh, this doesn't feel right, then just come higher up if you need to. Otherwise, you're on the balls of the feet. Walk the bricks in. So from this position, a little bit of balance. Press the palms, the hands together. Find your breath. Good, hands back to the bricks, inhale. Exhale, bring the heels down and sit into your low chair pose. Good. And from here, continue to sit back, press the palms of the hands together. Inhale, arms forward. Exhale, sit back. Inhale, lift a little. Exhale, sit back. Inhale a little. Exhale back. 2 more. Inhale, squeeze. Good. Exhale back. Last one. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale back. Now from here, bring your bricks down to the lowest setting. Walk the feet apart. I know you can feel your thighs. Me too. Legs apart. External rotation from day 2, remember? Inhale. Exhale, sit back. Different angle. Inhale. Not any easier though. Exhale, sit back. Good. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, sit back. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, sit back. Now, as you sit back, walk the feet in again. Inhale, that crow prep. Exhale, crane prep. Knees towards, above the elbows. Good. Hold. Look down. You might be up on the toes. You might need to keep your heels down. Good. If you can do that, then tinker. Can you lift a foot up? Exhale. The other foot. Exhale. The other foot. Exhale. Good. The other foot. Exhale. From here, inhale, exhale, sit back. From this position, slide the bricks forward. Walk it back out to your plank or your knees down plank. Exhale, chaturanga on the bricks. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Even out your breath. Good. From this position, look forward. Inhale, step, jog, or jump through to seated. Woo, getting toasty. Bricks to one side. So you might know where we're going next. Lots of different variations. So Navasana. We've been here, here, come to this position. Good, hands free, hands free. We've done this. We've done this. From here, inhale, exhale, lift if you can. If you can't, it's okay. Just keep your feet down. Inhale, exhale, straighten one. Inhale, exhale, opposite. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. One more round. You can do it. Inhale, exhale, right. Keep smiling. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, both together. Good. Inhale, both together. Last one. Inhale, both together. Inhale, exhale, feet together. Good. Baddha Konasana. Inhale, peel the feet open if you can, or take the ankles. Exhale, lift the chest forward, squeeze the elbows in. Good. Stretch the groin out. Breathing, breathing. Very good. And then inhale as you come back up. Exhale. From this position, hide the ankles. Step back into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through to seated. Exhale. Very good. You made it. End of day 3. Press the palms of the hands together. Close the eyes. Feel the energy. Sink into the sweatiness, the heat, which is all part of that building strength process. Gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale to lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So well done. Thank you for practicing with me. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you for day 4.